Hi, welcome to this video. I'm going to guide you through how to create a newsletter in Gmail. Creating a newsletter in Gmail can be done quickly by using Gmail's built-in layouts for professional design or by drafting it in Google Docs and pasting it into your email. You can then send it to multiple people simultaneously using Gmail's mail merge feature. So the method one is to hit compose at the top left, right? Click the layout icon at the bottom of the window. It looks like a small divided rectangle. And go to default styling to upload your logo and set your brand style. Okay. And then choose a template from the layout gallery. For example, call to action, announcement, or simple text. And then click edit layout and customize the text, images, and links to fit your needs. The second method, using Google Docs, right? If you have a standard free Gmail account, this is the best way to get a structured design from the jump, right? So go ahead to Google Docs, hit template gallery, and select one of the pre-made newsletter templates like Geometric, Lively, or Plum, and draft your content. And basically highlight everything, right? Highlight everything and use Control+A on Windows or CMD+A on Mac and copy it. Open a new message in Gmail by hitting compose again. Right? Place your cursor in the body and paste. Control+V for Windows or CMD+V your design. The font, the colors will be copied as well. So don't worry about that. Now, if you want to send to multiple contacts, right, instead of manually typing every recipient's address, you can batch send your newsletter. Next to that to, right, next to the to field when composing your email, click the use mail merge icon or click the multi-send mode button. Add your mailing list or a Google Sheet with your contacts and use merge tags like add and give the first name or type the first name to personalize the email for each subscriber. And then hit send, or you can schedule it for different time. So consider liking this video. Subscribe, it really helps with the channel. Till next time, see you.